Hi, this is Gilles Rais with the Gilles Rais Fine Homes team. I'm standing here at the city of Lighthouse Point. There's no way to tour this town than with a boat. Beautiful, family-oriented town, great for retirees. It's a boating community, a lot of canals, a lot of waterfront homes. We have a beautiful yacht club, tennis center, parks, good schools, highly recommended. Let's show you around. We have Lighthouse Point. This is where Lighthouse Point starts. We got some beautiful homes here on the main intracoastal. This is a no-wake zone, which is nice, so you can park a good-sized boats. Beautiful, beautiful homes with big water views. Look at this one on the left. You get the best of both worlds. You have the ocean and dockage intracoastal on the front of your house. You can park your boat on the water. So here we're standing at one of my favorite spots, the Lighthouse Point Marina. It's got one of my favorite restaurants, the Nutty Dog. It's a great seafood spot, great drinks, live music, happy hour, yappy hour for your dogs. You can come here with your boat or with the car, easy access with the car. You will love it as much as I do. So let's talk about the real estate in Lighthouse Point. We have a combination of dry lots, single family. We have homes that sit on the water, a lot of waterfront. We have townhomes, condos. The town is going through a major transformation. The values have gone up quite a bit. So a lot of people are investing in this town. They're buying these old homes, building gorgeous, gorgeous modern homes. Frank McDonough Park is another desirable facility for the Lighthouse Point residents. It sits in Lake Placid, very accessible from anywhere in the town. It's got beautiful 9 clay courts, tennis clay courts. You have soccer, you have football, you have baseball, picnic tables for you to enjoy on the weekends with your family. It's a great facility for the residents and it doesn't cost much. This is the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Again, this is Gilles Rais with the Gilles Rais Fine Homes team at Coldwell Banker. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about Lighthouse Point or if you're interested to look at properties here. I'm happy to help. Thank you.